These are young Australian parrots. Each of these chicks was born 5 days apart. This is why they look so different. From the egg is much bigger than the last. Their parrot is very fair. She gives each chick the food it needs. 10 days later, the biggest chick is a lot bigger than the others. But miraculously, it is the smallest and the weakest of its siblings. Feeds it. Why do little chicks show such self-sacrifice? Why does it give food to each other? Two animals just about themselves never exhibit benevolent behavior. As you see, even a little bird shares its food at the right time with her and brother. Of the sense of solidarity God has inspired in them, all of the young, healthy